At first glance, our planet might appear to be fully explored. We've mapped its surface in exquisite detail and sent spacecraft orbiting all the way to Pluto and beyond. But look again. There is still so much we don't know about our world. In fact, 95% of the ocean remains a mysterious, unexplored frontier. More than half of the Earth's surface lies beneath nearly 2,000 meters or 6,500 feet of water, but only about 5% of this underwater realm has been mapped. To explore this alien landscape, scientists are developing new technologies that will allow us to observe life forms never before seen by human eyes and unlock secrets that could help us understand the origins of life itself. Welcome to the channel. And today, we are exploring the last frontier on Earth, the deep sea. So why have we not explored more of the deep sea? Well, it's not for lack of trying. Humans have always been fascinated with the ocean depths, and many explorers have risked their lives to uncover its secrets. The problem is that the deeper you go, the harder it becomes to explore. For one thing, light quickly disappears as you descend into the water column, making visibility an issue for both humans and cameras. And because sunlight is the energy source for most life on Earth, there's very little in the way of food down there. This means that organisms living in the deep sea have to adapt to extremely low energy levels. As you continue your journey downward, the water pressure starts to increase dramatically. At a depth of just 10 meters or 33 feet, the pressure is twice that at the surface, and every 10 meters you descend, the pressure increases by another 1 atmosphere. At 200 meters or 650 feet, the pressure is equivalent to having a car parked on top of your head. At 2,000 meters or 6,500 feet, it's like having the weight of 200 cars pressing down on you. This intense pressure makes it extremely difficult for humans to work, as it can cause our bodies to collapse and our equipment to malfunction. These extreme conditions have led some people to believe that no life could possibly exist in the deep sea. However, they couldn't be more wrong. In fact, scientists have discovered a wide variety of strange and wonderful creatures living in the darkest depths of the ocean. One of the most amazing things about the deep sea is the sheer number of species that live there. It is estimated that there are over 2 million species in the ocean, but only a tiny fraction of them have been discovered. The deep sea is home to many bizarre creatures that have adapted to survive in the harsh environment. These include anglerfish, which use their bioluminescent lures to attract prey, and the giant squid, which can grow up to 13 meters long. But perhaps the most fascinating deep-sea residents are the hydrothermal vent organisms. These are the animals and plants that live around volcanic vents on the seafloor. They get their energy not from the sun, but from the chemicals that are released by the vents. This includes bacteria, clams, mussels, crabs, and worms. Some of these creatures have even been found to contain unique proteins that allow them to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures. In recent years, scientists have made some incredible discoveries about the deep sea. In 2004, a team of researchers found a hydrothermal vent field in the Indian Ocean that was teeming with life. There were giant clams, mussels, crabs, and shrimp. The discovery of this vent field was significant because it showed that these ecosystems can thrive in some of the most extreme environments on Earth. Another remarkable discovery was made in 2010 when a group of scientists found a new species of anglerfish that was living in the Mariana Trench. This is the deepest part of the Pacific Ocean and is nearly 11 kilometers deep. The anglerfish was found at a depth of almost 8 kilometers and was able to survive despite the intense pressure and lack of food. In 2019, a team of researchers made a significant breakthrough in exploring the deep sea when they developed a new submersible called the limiting factor. This submersible was designed to reach the deepest parts of the ocean and explore the unknown. The limiting factor was able to reach a depth of 10,928 meters, breaking the record for the deepest dive ever made. During the dive, the team was able to collect samples and footage of the deep sea, providing valuable insights into this mysterious environment. The deep sea is a challenging environment to explore, but the rewards are great. By studying the deep sea, we can learn about the origins of life on Earth and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. We can also discover new species and ecosystems that can help us better understand the natural world around us. One way we are exploring the deep sea is through submersibles. Submersibles are underwater vehicles that can carry humans to the depths of the ocean. They are typically equipped with cameras and other scientific instruments that allow researchers to study the deep-sea environment. One of the most famous submersibles is the Trieste, which was used in the 1960s to explore the Mariana Trench. Another way we are exploring the deep sea is through ROVs, which are remotely operated vehicles. ROVs are unmanned vehicles that are controlled from the surface. They are often used in deep-sea exploration, because they can operate for long periods of time without the need for a human crew. Many ROVs are equipped with manipulators that allow them to collect samples and manipulate objects underwater. We are also exploring the deep sea using AUVs, which are autonomous underwater vehicles. AUVs are unmanned vehicles that operate independently of any human control. They are often used for deep-sea exploration because they can cover large areas quickly and efficiently. AUVs typically have a range of up to 100 kilometers and can operate for several months at a time. These vehicles are equipped with a variety of sensors and instruments that allow them to map the seafloor, collect water samples, and measure physical parameters such as temperature and salinity. In addition, AUVs can carry cameras and other imaging systems that allow them to create detailed maps of the deep-sea environment. There are many advantages to using AUVs for deep-sea exploration. First, they are cost-effective as they do not require a crew of humans to operate them. Second, AUVs can operate in hazardous environments where it would be too dangerous for humans to go. Finally, AUVs can explore areas that are difficult to access using traditional methods, such as manned submersibles. Despite the advances in technology, exploring the deep sea remains a daunting task. The harsh environment and the need for expensive equipment and expertise make it a challenging endeavor. However, the potential rewards of discovering new species and ecosystems make it an endeavor worth pursuing. As technology continues to improve, we can expect to learn even more about the deep sea and the amazing creatures that live there. The deep sea is a truly remarkable place. From the bizarre creatures that live there to the amazing discoveries that have been made, it is a testament to the power and mystery of nature. Exploring the deep sea is a challenging but rewarding endeavor, and one that is sure to yield even more amazing discoveries in the years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the deep sea. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos about the amazing discoveries being made in the world of deep sea exploration. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring and keep dreaming about the amazing things that lie beneath the waves.